Hello everyone. Now I'm going to tell you how to register a student in erp.myconceptbooster.com. First click on the HR, student and registration. You will see this page. So in this page, the fields that are with red marks are mandatory ones. So you have to fill all the fields. So whereas you can see the drop downs, right? So the status, trade and caste are the predefined drop downs as well as for specialization, whereas the only drop downs, the sections and academic year are the only one that we need to create before registering a student. So where we have to create those is here in the manage section. Click on sections. So you have to select the class drop down first, and you have to enter the specialization for that class, enter the section code and name, and this is how the sections are created. So whereas for academic year, in the manage, click on academic year. You need to type which one you are going to create, like 2022 to 2023, and create. This is how it's created. Go back to student registration form. So fill all the details, select the class section. So only if after you have selecting the class, you can get the sections drop down. So this is how the registrations are made. So give all the details, phone, mobile and address. If the permanent address is same as temporary address, click this box. Give the father name, father first name and last name, email and mobile. If you want to add the academic info of the student, you can click on this button and add new academic info. And if you want to add images for the student, select this profile images option. So as mentioned here, red mark inputs are required. So this is how the student registration is made. Once you fill all the details, just click on this save button. And if you want to add the bulk registration, you can see the option bulk registration here, or else you can see the option bulk registration here. Both are same. So click on this. You can download the CSV template. This gives the example for the fields that are same as in the student registration form. So this gives the example of how to fill the bulk registration form. So based on that, once you have done all filling all the students, you can come back here. You can choose the file of which you are going to upload, select it and click import. So with this, you'll get the students inserted into this ERP module. So once the students are inserted, this is how it looks. So you can click on any of the student to view their details. Suppose you're seeing him, like maybe click on him. You can see the badge, registration number, and all his personal details as well as his address and his parent info also. So if you want to see some other details of him, you can click on these buttons. So this is how the student registration is formed. And if you want to add any of the details, like adding the document to this student or creating the nodes, you can fill them in these options. And if you want to see the complete records of students, and this is the option, student complete records. So this is how the student registration is made and viewed.